friends, I am Pradeep Yadav and today I will tell you how you can use background in Google Meet. I am talking about virtual background. You know friend, what happens sometime we are taking online classes or we are doing some meeting or participating in any conference, so sometimes our background is not so good, so we can switch on our video. In that case, generally we switch off our video. But today I am going to tell you a method. By using that method you can change your background and also you can switch on your video during the meeting, during the online classes. So let's start. Here just let me start a Google meeting. So suppose I have joined this Google meeting. Okay, so what you have to do, okay, so I have joined this. So in this you can see my background is blank. Just wait for a few seconds. So here you can see my background is black. Suppose you want to use virtual background, so what you have to do, here you can see the three dots. You have to click on this and here you will get a option change background. Now click on this. When you click on this tab, you get multiple options for background. So here you can see these are some list of background. Now from here you can choose any background as per your interest. Suppose I have chosen this and you have to click on that particular picture. So here you can see my background is updated. So whenever you are going to start your meeting, this background will be default. And if you want to change this, so you can select this one. So your background will be changed according to your selection. There is no requirement of any green screen, something like that. This is working everywhere. Okay, so this is process. By this using this process you can change your background in Google Meet, and also you can switch on your video during the whole meeting and whole class. So this is simple method. So thank you for watching this. Thank you.